All right, in 5 minutes, I'm gonna take as many portraits as I can in this parking lot. Good portraits, that is, with the 51-2 Elizabeth Wieland, and you already know, the Manny Ortiz Beauty Dish box, all right? So let's go. I'm gonna start off here. Hey, why not, right? Right here, I like, obviously we got the lines going up, going down, and then it gives us something to hold on to, which is also nice. And I'm gonna shoot this from different angles. I'm gonna shoot a full body, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're fine, you're fine. 1, 2. Oh, wow, that is gorgeous. I need a little bit more light. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got the perfect balance. Now, all I'm gonna worry about is changing up the composition. You have a little fun. Use the red as a foreground color. Back over here. There's a building right there. That's a perfect square. So I'm gonna place her head at the top of the box of that building. Gorgeous. Got a couple more here. 1, 2, 3. Love it. And let's see what else we got here that looks good. I kind of like use my electronic viewfinder to preview my background to see what it's gonna look like. Head back a little bit more. And we got it. And wow, look how simple yet beautiful.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Isn't it,
yeah,
right?
Damn, that light.
Yep.
You think it was like...
Woo. Let's see what we got. So when I'm looking for a location to shoot at, I usually just defocus my lens, preview the background, and see what it's gonna look like. That usually helps me find a nice location. I like these yellow lines and what they're doing. Let me see. Oh, you know what? Doing the walking shot, but do it over here where we have more scenery.
So, walking like this?
Yeah, you just kind of walking across. So, kind of just walking this little box, this little 2 feet box here, like in this area where the light's hitting you. Closer, right there. Let me see what looks best. Nope, I'd rather not have the plain sky there. I've got reflections off this building that look good in camera. Like, yeah, right there, yeah. Like that, okay. Bump the power up because the light's a little farther away from her this time. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, go ahead. Just keep rocking back and forth. Beautiful, oh wow, okay. Keep going. Good. Okay, my 5 minutes up yet? Right here, Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Because I really like all the lines that are going on here. So we've got the pillars, and then we've got all the parking lines here as a background element. So let's kind of use that. Stand right here at the corner of the yellow box. Right there, yeah. Let's light from this side. Yeah, so yeah, we got nice lines. I'm always looking for symmetry lines. That's kind of like what I got here. Okay, ready, 1, 2. And at f1.2, you're getting that depth of field that's beautiful. Raise your chin a bit. Let's see. Remember, can you face that direction? Give me more side profile. Maybe like both hands up like that. There.
My face is alive.
Like that, yeah, looking through your arm. Like that, yeah. With her arms up, I gotta make sure that she's not blocking the light with her arm. Do that again. I wanna knock it out. You know what? Let me put the light on that side. Just looking up to that side. All right, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, that was my 5-minute blitz with Elizabeth Wieland. I'll tell you what, you see the sweat? It gets you creatively thinking, on the fly, run and gun. And I'll tell you, this is what really trains, in my opinion, trains your photography eye. Being able to see different things in your environment is just getting out there and challenging yourself, trying different things. It doesn't work, you got a digital camera, you could just delete it after, but just trying different things that doesn't work, keep moving on and just keep pushing yourself to see the world differently. And that ultimately, I feel is why I'm able to see the world the way I do now. Just gotta get out there and shoot. Which photo was your favorite? Let me know down below. And we'll see them when?
See you guys soon.
Oh, soon. Exactly.